ERi-TV News broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Message of congratulations. Sports and athletics competition in the Kamhara. At least 10 reported killed in a suicide bomb blast in Somalia's Mogadishu. And Lavrov and Rubio discuss Istanbul talks. On our local news, leaders of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Republic of Egypt, and the Republic of India have sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea in connection with the 34th Independence Day anniversary. In their message sent on behalf of their respective countries and themselves, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud of Saudi Arabia, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman of Saudi Arabia, President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi of Egypt, and President Draupadi Murmu of India conveyed their best wishes for good health and President Isaias Afwerki as well as peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders also expressed their country's readiness to further develop and strengthen bilateral relations for the mutual benefit of their nations and Eritrea. A mass sports and athletics competition was held in Kamhara city on 18th May in connection with 34th Independence Day anniversary. The event, organized in collaboration with the Culture and Sports Department in the Southern Region and the Kamhara Subzone Administration, featured 68 athletics, including 53 female athletes from the subzones of the region, clubs from the Central Region, and the Dandan Club. The competition includes 3,000 and 10,000 meters race from female athletes, as well as 5,000 and 10,000 meters race for male athletes. Athlete ERi-TV won the 3,000 meters race, while athlete Taglahaymanot Brahana took first place in the 5,000 meter race. In the 10,000 meters category, Olympian athlete Rahel Daniel won the women's race and athlete Emmanuel Berha triumphed in men's race. Speaking at the event, Mr. Yamana Abera, administrator of the Kamhara subzone, noted the significance of the event, emphasizing it was held in the same area where the final offensive of the total liberation of the country took place. He also commended those who organized the colorful event. Mr. Abraham Yohannes, Director General of Culture and Sports in the region, stated that the program was part of the 34th Independence Day anniversary celebration and praised the strong participation of the demonstrated by the athletes and the public. A call was made for organized visits in historical sites where the heroic feats have been demonstrated by liberation fighters during the armed struggle for independence, with the aim of passing this legacy to future generations. The appeal was made during the visit in Mashalit and Ganfalom Trench in Hamil Malo subzone on 17th May as part of 34th Independence Day anniversary celebrations. The program was attended by over 1,300 students, government employees, members of the defense forces, and residents of the administrative areas of Gizgiza, Wazintet, and Ganfalom. Attendees received briefings from the veteran fighters who had been stationed in these areas. In their briefings, the veterans emphasized the heavy sacrifice made during the struggle and called for a deep understanding of the country's history, encouraging the youth to uphold and carry forward this national legacy. The participants of the tour said that this program make it special, for it was conducted during 34th Independence Day celebration week and called for the continuation of such educational initiatives. The Nisri Cultural Troupe of the Eastern Command of the Eritrean Defense Forces presented cultural shows to the public and the members of the Defense Force in various areas of the Southern Red Sea region. The program was organized in connection with 34th Independence Day anniversary. The cultural performances was conducted from 18th May in Rahaita, Kiloma, Abo, Harsile, Gibdo, Dahtum, Dabaisima, Alale, and Beilul. Residents of this area expressed their gratitude to the cultural troupe for joining them in their Independence Day celebration and bringing the festives to their localities. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Several people have been killed in yesterday, May 18th, a suicide bomb attack at an army recruitment center in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu. The attacker on Sunday targeted a queue of young recruits lining outside the Damanio base, killing at least 10 people, Reuters news agency quoted witness as saying. Teenagers were lining up the base gate when the suicide bomber detonated their explosives, they said. Medical staff at the military hospital reported that they had received 30 wounded people from the blast and that 6 of them had died immediately. Separately, an official told Mandalu on the attack has killed at least 11 people. There was no immediate claim of responsibility. Now, last news. The top Russian and the U.S. diplomats have shared their assessment on Istanbul talks in a phone call, the Russian foreign minister has said. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov and the U.S. Foreign Secretary Marco Rubio welcomed the negotiation and underscored the readiness of the sides to talk together towards peace and the conflict between Moscow and Kyiv, according to the ministry. The conversation took place on Saturday as the initiative of the U.S., according to a statement. Rubio welcomed the prisoner exchange agreed by the Russian and the Ukrainian delegation during the talks on Friday and stated that the United States is committed to achieving the lasting end of the Russia-Ukraine war, according to the U.S. Department of State. In addition, Lavrov and Rubio discussed their international and regional issues as well as U.S. bilateral talks, in the ministry said, without providing further details. The Russian and Ukrainian delegation met in Turkish city of Istanbul on Friday, following President Vladimir Putin's proposal to resume peace talks without any preconditions. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Message of congratulations. Mass sport and athletics competition, the Kapare. At least 10 reported killed in a suicide bomb blast in Somalia's Mogadishu. And Lavrov and Rubio discuss Istanbul talks. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.